Confirm. Give us attention. Yeah, that is the word that double. Boss a double. Okay, why the rest? Just so. Give us attention. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Where did the song? Where did the song? We finish jam. Now go try yourself. Now go try yourself. Now go try yourself. Everywhere good. Everywhere good. Everywhere good. Everywhere good. Everywhere good. Everywhere good. And I see on the matter. See, we are still on the matter of New Year. It's not easy. 2020 was we thank God that everybody cross over. That day nobody. It is not easy. People were supposed to even deal with their family for back home now. Because of one or two things where they break up for 2020. Nobody feel it up. We thank God that today, 2021, it will favor us. No wayo of all those their sickness. No weakness. Everywhere goodie. Everywhere goodie. 2020. It will show many people. We thank God. We come out for that captivity. Thank God. Glory be to God. We are still on that matter. 2021. Our year of joy. Men must deliver this year. Who never get work, go get working. Who never get document, go get document. Who never get woman, who never get wife, go get wifey. Nobody put hand there. Papa God is there for us. Oluwa don't involve. Papa Oluwa don't involve. We not get shaking. Nobody get shaking. Those are my people, my squad. All the way from another city. They bow down. They say me they go see Matthew. It is not easy. It is not easy. It is not easy. It is not easy. Now people will get faith, will get love, will show love. Then when they say they show love, because Matthew West, all the way. Those are all the way from an external. They come from another city. See there, all of them come. Say they can give the joy with their brother, with their love. Person when they show love, they want to show love to their brother. No, when I see people, I get joy on myself. And so, we are still on the matter of New Year. Our New Year, they say more lockdown. I mean, you don't see crowd here. People from see crowd here because of the lockdown matter. More will still observe their love. That one I show. We are still on sea. I thank God, thank God for making us to see 2021. Because when we see some months ago, when we see what happened for this city, what happened for Italy, when nobody feel move out, nobody feel go anywhere. You they look your life saying I saw the year want to end, I saw our life want to end. Even both people where they go work, people, everybody they inside room, you they see nobody see for street, no bed they move, no tree they even wave. Everybody they inside house. This kind of life without one Papa God. We thank Papa God for the love we show to us. We move now another level. The year of our joy have come. For people to cross that year, many people they lead down, they thank God for their life. Because not be waiting our enemy expect, not be waiting they see. No, but Oluwa, thank you, Papa God. I thank Papa God for the love we show to us. Papa God, you never fail us and you can never fail us. You say you are there for us. When you say yes, nobody can say no. Papa, thank you. We really thank you. We appreciate your effort concerning our family back home, concerning our brother, our sisters all over the world. We say thank you. We thank you. Thank you. As Matthew come everywhere, everything deal with where men need time. I never give up. Who know me? No say I never give up one day. I still remember to wife. Yes, so now man when we say we enter everywhere they okay. Nobody. Everywhere they okay. Glory be to God. At time Baba God the work on only one. Every do am o. No other person. If you pull hope for human being, they'll disappoint you. If you pull hope for any person, I tell you for the world, it will disappoint you. Now only God wey me and you know they see. Now you put hope on. We be say, you know the time. Actual time where you go to deliver what you need for your heart. 2021 is our time of joy. He have come. Because when I receive, I sleep wake up every day inside room. No motor they move, no bicycle they move, no bike they move, nothing they move. The Europe where we say nobody will stay for inside house. Everybody dey inside room. Baba God, thank you. And I thank God for the lovely people where I carry along. People wey dey with me, people wey still dey with me all the throughout the time. I thank God. I say God go bless all of una. God go bless all of una. Una no go lack for una life. The heart wey I get, God know. God go make things work out from everybody wey dey around me. Joy go dey with una. Nobody go fit touch una. All of us dey well. Nothing past God. Oluwa, thank God though 2021. Everybody knows say you go better pass that year we will pass. Because if I tell you say nobody will not complain about that year, that person must be somewhere he belong to. Thank you, Baba God. I like the house. I love everybody. God love you most. And but from my heart, I know say I love everyone. I never give up. I never give up for your life. Never give up to any person. Keeping person is having any challenge, keep him praying for him, give him counseling, tell him, advise him things to do at the right time. I know say we all are still learning. Nobody no finish. I may have offended you in one or two places. You still get where you go think. You go say, I forgive this man because of what he don't do down. Because of that one, you show that love to me. But because one thing I believe, say God preach for Bible. And no man of God, no juju go tell you about that thing. If you love your neighbor, you can never harm man. But I know say nobody no finish. Maybe you feel they do something and you think say you did right, maybe you not did right. You need to call her and say this thing not dey okay like this. You just tell her, maybe the person may learn things from there. Everybody they learn. Understand? I happy today. I get joy today. Not because of one or two things. I thank God say now people wey dey around me, they make me get joy. Not be say I get money or I get any other thing. Thank you, Lord. Still on that matter, many people still they put me online. Matthew IV, everywhere good. Everywhere good. See, on the birthday of my bros, my elder brother, Osaro, good news. We are still celebrating it inside that matter. You know, say, my mama too enjoy where you go born for New Year Day, not go there. It is not easy. I thank God for the life of my mother. Mama, where you go put to bed for New Year Day. I thank God. We are still on that matter of this man. Good news is there. My brother, my blood, my everything. It is noisy. Baba God, thank you. Yes, so Baba.
When they give me documents, if I buy something,
so. Man, for the poor. Now so, when I go follow me flex am we sit there back your Ifugan. Make people come. Oh, we need people to come finish them. Oh, if you dey here and I wasting of time. Oh, you know that the more way you drink and the more they come. Oh, more na come join us. Oh, we need people. We need more people to come. I know say now the lockdown. I may be glad not there yet. I know say many for come because of train, bus, not they work regular. Now many people not fit dey here. But inside that matter, we more show love to each other. This year, more just show love to each other. If person offend you, just forgive am. We don't entire new year. Leave that thing. Leave the matter for God. Nobody know finish. Even your mama fit even do you some kind thing. Your papa fit do you some kind thing wey you no like sometimes. You get why? Everywhere good. Everywhere good. Yeah, Baba, now thank you. More I see more to say concerning all my brother, my sister, my lovely one, my fans all over the world. Happy New Year. Aguri, Tataguri.